The first startup. 3, 2, 1. This is my first time on this baby. I'm excited, man! Oh, oh my god, I forgot there's a rev limiter on here, man! I was about to gut it like a mug, but I can't, man. First time, I'm so scared to use the upshift, man. But the quick shift, I'm scared. Oh my god, that quick shift is smooth. I haven't ridden it in over a year, man. Okay, let's go. Quick shift, 3, 2, 1. It kind of jerks. Is that supposed to happen? Maybe I have to break the bike in, so maybe that's why. Tunnel frontal, not yet, not yet, not yet. I still want to learn my way around the bike. You hear that back though? Don't, please. I'm learning how to ride a S1000Rr. There's a rev limiter. I can't go above 9,000 RPM, I believe. And he wants to kill me. I get so scared, man. I'm so nervous. I can't tell you how nervous I am right now. Oh, I've missed that! I've missed that. MotoGP! Mother! I'm playing, I'm not gonna curse. Even though I'd be so much more funnier if I could curse. Right now we are in rain mode. We need to find an open road to get this thing blazing. Finally, man! Finally, guys, let's do it! First time on a 1000cc! Oh, Lord! Oh, my God! I'm telling you, man, it's like someone's making popcorn in the muffler. In the exhaust, someone's making popcorn! Is this Cop 5? Nah, that's some homeless dude. I haven't ridden in over a year. This is how you do it! What's wrong with you, camera? Recording me, man! You're recording greatness! I can kill this guy right now! I'm playing. I kill this guy right now! I'm playing. I can't tell if this thing is fast or not yet. Because I don't know what to compare it to, man. Oh my god, that is fast! I want to act a fool, man. I want to act a fool. Come on. What you looking at, homie? It's the rev limiter, man. The rev limiter kicks in. This thing isn't capturing anything. What the hell? You limp mother. All right, let's go. I can't see the rev light because the sun. I said, baby, what's your number? She said 911. All right, 4, 3, 2. That wasn't that good. You know the car I want to race is a Tesla. Right there, it's a Tesla. I want to race a Tesla. beautiful, homie. And homettes, beautiful homettes. I've missed you, homettes. Oh my God. What did it do, Saint R6, man? First time on a BMW S1000Rr. It's brand new. It's called Nimbus. Like Goku's Nimbus, man. Oh my God, oh my God. Let's ride. He wants to ride, let's ride. Vroom, 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 like that speed runner. No cops, no cops. Jerk it down, jerk it down, jerk it down. Time to cut it up. My God, that wasn't even a full throttle twist. My wrist didn't even touch the back of my arm yet. Oh my God, that downshift though, man. Oh my God. We ain't done yet, homie. Oh Lord, come on, man. Record saying 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. If no 5, we're gonna drop a gear. We finna disappear. She got a donk. She got a donk. She got a... That felt so good. Oh my God, that felt so good. Everybody, this is Saint R6. Saint R Sexy. We're riding off in the sunset. Shout out to you, homie. Shout out to all you guys. This is the coming back of Saint R Sexy. This is Nimbus. I'm saying, until next time, I don't know. I don't know until next time, man. But remember, subscribe. Only because you love me. Because I love you. Oh my God, that back throat. Oh my God, that back throat. Oh my God, that back throat.